Hey there, Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today, I have a special boat behind us. This is a new model from Scout Boats. This is now their 188 Sportfish that I have the pleasure to show you today. This is our first in-stock boat for here at the Charleston. We've got her in full hull black. We've added the bimini top, and there's a ton of new features we're going to show you from the inside, but she's a pretty good looking boat from the exterior with a small little step in the hull. Get a little extra cavitation and lift. Dual swim platforms we have this one set up for. We have the Dometic Lenco trim tab system, as well as a Garmin with the side scanning. We've upgraded this one to the 115 Yamaha, so that's the max horsepower for this new model. Grab handles conveniently placed for the port side ladder. Integrated rod holders across the back, and we'll have those sculpted in backrests, kind of like we see on our bigger Scouts. But we'll step on inside. Alrighty, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see we've got the bucket seats across the back. They're actually very wide, considering the size of the boat. We have our bilge access, finished fiberglass lid, as well as polished fiberglass inside that bilge access. We have our scupper system for our self-bailing deck. Starboard side is a dry box, as well as a wet box if you want to make it. On the port side, we have the standard live well. So identical box, just this one's plumbed to have that live well. I love the new interior. This is the new standard interior in fabric. It's a Sunbrella material with the new stitching that Scout's moving towards, so nice new look. Pop-up cleats all throughout the boat. Integrated cup holders, and grab handles and rod holders across the back. And you'll see end gunnel on both port and starboard for rods up to 4. We have a flip helm back seat, so you can make a big seat, you can make it a leaning post, but underneath there it also hinges, and we can access the top side of our igloo cooler there. Pivot that back. Looking at our helm, great design from Scout. It's low, but still a robust helm. So we have a tiltable helm, Lumar steering wheel, those are standard. Digital tacks from Yamaha. We do have the Seastar Dometic trim tab system. We have our 7-inch Garmin. Convenient catch-all tray, I'll call it, right here at the top of the dash. Fusion stereo, we did upgrade this one to the JL audio speakers, so that's the upgrade. Our push buttons for our pumps and lights. Convenient glove box with USBs and USB-C charging. Cup holders, throttle and ship, and then as well we have our standard on-off switch. Moving over here to the port side, big dry storage underneath the console. So I'm going to show you the forward lounge as well as more storage. We have battery access and systems access, but we equipped this particular one with a removable windscreen and grab rail. So you push those toggles, conveniently folds down, goes into your garage very effortlessly. So great new option from Scout. Moving forward, you'll see the lounge chase here. I'm 6 foot for reference. I like to indicate that in all my videos. I love the simple catch latch and lift, gas assisted shocks there. We've got our prop down there at the moment, but nice finished locker, great for our big dry bags. Little forward cushion and seat here. Underneath here, I'll call it a wet box because it does access our anchor locker. So a great spot for our fenders, lines, quick and easy access. Dedicated anchor storage with tension hinges. I like that, so don't come down and slam on our fingers. Everything's nice, polished and finished. Again, those pop-up cleats and additional guard rails and cup holders in the bow. We do have a vertical rod rack storage over here on the starboard side, so again, ton of room for rods as well as cup holders. If you guys enjoyed this tour, like to learn any more about it, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name's Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.